Welcome back to RunmanReCords design. Today we show you stunning marble bathroom design ideas. Benefits of using marble in bathroom design. Marble in bathrooms adds a touch of luxury and elegance, making it a popular choice for homeowners looking to create a spa-like retreat. Not only does marble look stunning, but it's also durable and can withstand moisture and heat, making it ideal for bathroom environments. Historical significance of marble in interior design. Marble has a long history in interior design, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans, who used it to create stunning architectural marvels. Today, marble continues to be prized for its timeless beauty and versatility in enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any space. Types of marble and their characteristics. From classic Carrara to exotic Calcutta, there is a wide variety of marble types to choose from, each with its unique veining and color variations. Knowing the characteristics of different marbles can help you select the perfect one that suits your design preferences and practical needs. Considerations for choosing the best marble for your bathroom. When selecting marble for your bathroom, factors like porosity, maintenance requirements, and color compatibility with your overall design scheme should be taken into consideration. Incorporating marble in shower designs. Marble shower wall options. Marble shower walls can create a statement feature in your bathroom, adding a sense of luxury and sophistication. Whether you opt for full marble slabs or marble tiles, incorporating this natural stone into your shower design can elevate the ambience of your space. Marble shower flooring ideas. Marble shower floors not only look exquisite but also offer practical benefits like water resistance and easy maintenance. The texture and pattern of marble flooring can enhance the overall aesthetic of your shower area, creating a harmonious and stylish look. Enhancing bathroom vanities with marble. Benefits of marble vanities. Marble vanities are not only visually appealing but also highly durable and resistant to scratches and stains. The natural beauty of marble can instantly elevate the elegance of your bathroom, creating a focal point that exudes sophistication and charm. Design tips for styling marble vanities. When styling marble vanities, consider factors like lighting, hardware, finishes, and complementary materials to create a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look. Incorporating mirrors, decorative accents, and plants can further enhance the beauty of your marble vanity, adding a personalized touch to your bathroom design. Accentuating bathroom floors and walls with marble. When it comes to elevating the aesthetic of your bathroom, marble is a top choice for both floors and walls. For flooring, consider geometric or herringbone patterns using marble tiles to add a touch of elegance and visual interest. On the walls, experiment with marble accents like a feature wall behind the vanity or shower area to create a luxurious focal point. Marble tile patterns for floors. From classic checkerboard to contemporary hexagon designs, marble tiles offer a wide range of patterns to suit any style. Mix and match different shades of marble for a unique look, or opt for large format tiles for a seamless, modern feel. Marble wall accent ideas. Enhance your bathroom walls with marble accents such as a border around the mirror, a backsplash behind the sink, or even a full marble wall for a striking effect. Consider combining marble with other materials like wood or metal for a more eclectic and personalized touch. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope these marble bathroom ideas will be very useful for you. You watched the channel about design and decor. RunmanReCords Design